On a quiet evening in a small village, a young boy named Aryan sat under a tree, staring at the stars. He dreamed of doing something great in life, but his reality was different. His family was poor, and his school lacked proper facilities. Yet, he was determined to succeed. One day, Aryan's teacher, Mr. Sharma, noticed his curiosity and hunger for knowledge. He called Aryan and asked, "What do you want to become in life?" Aryan replied, "I want to be a scientist and invent something that changes the world." Mr. Sharma smiled and said, "Success is not about dreams alone. It is about the path you take to achieve them. The first step, hard work." Aryan knew he had to work harder than others. He woke up early, studied under a streetlight when there was no electricity, and borrowed books from the village library. His friends played, but he focused on his goals. One day, his father saw him studying late at night and said, "Why do you work so hard, my son?" Aryan replied, "Because success does not come to those who wait. It comes to those who chase it." The second step, facing challenges. Despite his hard work, Aryan failed his first competitive exam. He was heartbroken. His friends laughed and even some relatives said, "Maybe this is not for you." But Mr. Sharma told him, "Failure is a test of determination. Only those who stand up after falling truly succeed." Aryan wiped his tears and worked even harder. He analyzed his mistakes, learned from them, and prepared again. The third step, never giving up. A year later, Aryan took the exam again. This time he passed with top marks. He won a scholarship to study in a big city. But the challenges did not end there. In the new environment, he felt lost. Others were smarter, richer, and more confident. One night he called his father and said, "Maybe I am not good enough." His father replied, "Son, success is not about how fast you run, but how long you keep running. Keep going." Inspired, Aryan kept working. He found mentors, learned from failures, and never stopped trying. Years later, his research led to a breakthrough in medicine. He became a renowned scientist, proving that no matter where you come from, hard work, perseverance, and belief in yourself lead to success. Moral of the story: success is not luck. It is the result of dedication, resilience, and continuous effort. Like Aryan, if you keep working despite failures and challenges, one day you will achieve your dreams. Video like, channel subscribe.